Welcome. Take a moment to pause. Close your eyes. If you feel comfortable, let the stillness settle within you. Now, begin by simply being here, not thinking, not planning, not imagining, just being. Remain conscious, remain empty. Pause. At first, it may feel difficult. The mind will fight. It will resist. This is natural. The mind is used to shaping, creating, and clinging to thoughts. But today, we are not giving it that power. Refuse everything the mind suggests. No thoughts, no identity, no plans, no portraits of who you are. Simply remain empty. Pause for reflection. Be aware of the mind's movements. It will try to draw you in with habits, memories, and stories. But do not follow it. Do not engage. Just block it out. Stay clear. Stay awake. Pause now for 2 seconds. Feel this moment. Be the awareness without content. Pause for reflection. 5 seconds. Do not sleep. Do not think. Just be. The mind will struggle to pull your attention away. It may tempt you with old patterns or new ideas. But no matter how strong the pull, remember you are the awareness, not the thoughts. Stay as the self, shapeless, formless, like water. Pause for reflection. 10 seconds. Notice how the mind tries to claim your attention. It fights for control, but you are not the slave of the mind. You are the stillness. Resist the pull. Refuse its noise. Stay empty. Stay clear. Pause for reflection. 10 seconds. As you hold your attention in this emptiness, you may feel the power of the mind's habits. This resistance is the sign of your practice. Do not worry if it feels impossible. Do not worry if the mind feels like it is winning. This doesn't matter. What matters is your practice, your effort to stay here, now, empty, conscious, aware. Pause for reflection. 15 seconds. Slowly, the mind begins to align. It stops resisting. It stops fighting. Instead, it starts to rest. You are not forcing this change. It happens naturally, simply by holding your attention in beingness. Pause for reflection. 10 seconds. At first, you may not see the results, but every moment you spend here is a seed of stillness. With time, this practice becomes effortless. the power of your beingness will grow, and the mind itself will begin to enjoy the peace. Stay shapeless, formless, like water. Be the awareness without content. Pause for reflection. 15 seconds. This is the highest practice. The mind resists, yes, but every moment in awareness is a victory. Continue to stay empty. Refuse the pull of thoughts. Stay clear. This is the way home. Pause for reflection. 20 seconds. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, but bring the stillness with you. Hold it, protect it. The practice is always with you. Remain conscious, remain empty. Thank you for being here. The end.